And just like that, we're back. What's Pop Roller Game family? You already know who it is. You already know what it is. It's your boy, TB. Welcome back to just a random Thursday vlog with me, TB. Rolly.
What's up, Roller Game?
Alright, my Roller Game fam, I just decided to pick up the camera today. I literally don't know how our day is gonna go. I know we doing two things. One, I'm looking a little rough right now, so I gotta go get a haircut. Two, we supposed to be going to a block party later on today. I don't know if that's still going on 100%. Uber Eats is out there about to deliver my seafood that I ordered. And I just want to shout out to Sia. Sia is a black-owned shoe company. These came from Sia. I gotta shout them out. I'll put them on the screen. Shout out to Sia. They're a black-owned shoe company, and these are just some really, really dope mushroom custom kicks. And shout out to these socks. These came from Citizens of Heaven. They also a black-owned brand. So shout out to my black-owned brands. Okay, yeah, that's my Uber Eats right there. Shout out to him too. This is what my Uber Eats brought me: some crab legs and some gumbo. This is my lunch for the day, crab legs and gumbo. Shout out to UPS. They delivered my Gucci shoes that I've been waiting for. Look at this. I love this colorway. Colorway so dope. This the gumbo. This the crab legs. But so like I said, today we got a couple things we're gonna do. Lele at work right now. I gotta shoot over to Lele to see if we really going to this block party. But first, I'm about to go get a haircut. So I'm gonna see how once we get to the barbershop. Rolly. Shout out to B, man. B always getting me right. About to go ahead and pick up Lele right quick. She literally just called me, so she ready. She about to get off work if she ain't already off work, and we about to go see what else we gonna do for the rest of the day. Rolly.
Did you see Naira? I just want to finish my hair. She in the car.
No.
That blue truck up there.
Hi, Naira.
Hi.
What you doing?
Wait, you know her?
Yeah, I know her.
And your name is Tim?
Yeah. Hi.
What is that?
You going to your grandma's house?
Yeah.
Bye, Naira. Bye.
I said take a picture.
Take a picture of you? Okay.
Okay, gotcha.
Heaven balled at the back.
Stop!
So what we got planned for the rest of the day, baby?
6-9 day, hood day, you know.
What's 6-9 day?
Hood day, you celebrate your hood day.
I'm from.
If y'all got a hood out there, rep your hood.
I'm from Wellston.
You rep Wellston. There you go. What part of Wellston you from?
6400.
643. Rep Wellston.
He's faking.
Hi.
Who bought you some flowers, Lele?
You.
Let's go!
Big
You can catch me
trying
at
to do
a
the
track, tint slime with your hoes.
What she say? Twerking on the
Not in
red lights.
twerking
and
on
the red lights.
Put the flat irons to it. Look at it. Boop.
Why you and your sisters ain't got the same hair?
Cause all us got different daddies. Everybody got different daddies, so you know how they go.
Rokisha was just a little. Let's put it that way.
Yeah,
She was a little what?
Rokisha was just a little. Let's put it that way.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah, cause me and Winnie got the same hair.
Nina, she told me she mixed with Indian, a little bit of white, a little bit of Mexican. I swear to God.
What Gutta say? Da da da.
Da da da.
What's that smell?
That wasn't me. It was outside. Or him.
Heaven, you did that?
Man, what?
First one smelled it, definitely, so it had to be you.
No, it was not me. Not mine.
Yiddy!
Kevin, show your hair. Can't see edges. Y'all see the knowledge Bali braids too. So yeah. Wearing my tapings and a ponytail for the day. This is my hair.
You paid for it. So is yours.
But yeah, so we finna go to where my family grew up at.
So you taking me
family.
taking me on the block?
Yeah, I'm taking him on the block.
The block is hot. The block is hot. Hot, hot.
Today it is, and then just
Yeah,
see everybody who I haven't seen. Did y'all have
some real NIGGs growing up out there?
Yes, I did. I was raised by men and my grandmother. So yeah. So a lot of stuff that I know, because I was around some of the realest. Because I can't say. I gotta get them there.
It's a cemetery right there. Gotta do this.
Really, you got some lip gloss upon it?
But
lick your lips.
They keep drying up.
Gee, that means you don't drink enough water.
yeah, I do.
People.
That's sad, mama do her.
Yo, mama do her. Don't do her daughter's hair.
Mama do her. Look her daughter.
Let somebody mess you up, girl. Bye.
You took your hair down first.
Hi, Maury. Hi, Maury.
We're gonna mess her up.
Hi, Maury.
What's up, y'all? Come on. Stop playing. We got the crew. I put it back too. It's see everybody. Yeah, we first.
This Lele and them hood food. I'm on my hood. I did this. You did me and my brother. I did this. Mom. Oh, okay. Bad boys for life. We ride together. We die together. That's my first right there. You already know. You know I had to go get on her. I had to make sure I got on her.
We don't do that. Get you one. Whatever over there.
That's what you work.
I'm gonna buy somebody something. I'm gonna figure out who I'm buying for. I'm gonna buy somebody something. Strange things gonna happen.
Savage.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, you're savage.
I'm an actor. I had everybody kids on the street during the night. I always gave them.
So you OG in this block. 69, it's 6900?
Yeah, 21. My mama address is 2139. She's the only fire hydrant on this street. And my brother got killed when he was 22 years old. And guess where he buried? My brother buried right at the bottom of the street. So when we left the funeral, we walked down there to bury my brother. Right at the end, it just coincident. Right at the end of where we lived.
That's deep. That's deep. That's
But
deep.
you know what? Me and the guy that lived on the alley right here, we was talking. Everybody was like family. You could go in anybody's house and eat. It wasn't nobody, no strangers. Everybody knew everybody. Like it was like